Team R4UL, we are back again. Oh, the sun, the glare is in my eyes. Yes, now guys, it's Raoul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again, and in this video, what we're doing is we've got a Smart 4.4 on a 2015, and we're gonna go ahead and replace the front coil spring. I'm doing the passenger side one in the UK. It's exactly the same on the driver side one. So I'm in the UK, passenger side one, Smart 4.4 2015 front coil spring replacement. Let's get at it. Let's go. Right, after we take the wheel off, what we'll do now is we have to take this bolt off, nut and bolt, actually, nut off, it's a nut and bolt. Take this wire off from here, should come off. Take that off from there, take this off from here. The brake flexi hose, there you go, that's off as well. Okay, so what we do now is we go ahead and take this bolt off and this bolt. Right, so we need to take this bolt, nut and bolt off, same with this one as well, them two nut and bolts, 18mm socket, ratchet, extension, gun, whatever you've got. Obviously you need to stop it on that side as well with the spanner, but I'll just show you guys what I mean. As you can see, it's all freestyling, so I'm going to stop it on this side with a spanner and take this nut and bolt off. Okay guys, so as you can see here, these two nut and bolts are off. Okay, that one and that one totally off. Okay, we'll leave them there for 2 seconds. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the drop link. If you're going to replace the drop link, you can just go ahead and cut it off or whatever, but I suggest just, you know, take it off nicely. So you need this setup here basically to take it off. If the nut 16mm nut comes off, then happy days, you don't need to mess about. Well, mine is all spinning, so what I need to do is hold the drop link with a 5mm Allen key, as you can see there with the ratchet, and take the turn the spanner. Okay, so when we turn the spanner now anti-clockwise, that should hold it and take it off at the same time. Right, okay, so after we take that off, we'll send the car down, and then basically nothing much to it. We're just going to take the 3 bolts off that holds the shock absorber, the top mounting on, and that's it. This shock absorber should come off. Then we can go ahead and replace the spring. Okay guys, sit rep. This nut and bolt is off. This one is off. I know it's on there, but we'll just leave that. Actually, we can just take it off. Actually, move that up to a side and pull that bolt out. Same with that one as well. We will push it in, and then there you go. Take that one off as well. Shock absorber now should move out of the way like that. As you can see there, I'll have to just get both hands onto it. Obviously it's just stuck there. Get a little pry bar, just pry it off. Shock absorber moves away from the hub. We'll send it down, take the 3 bolts off on the top, and that's it. Shock absorber should come off. We'll go ahead and replace the spring. Let's do it. Okay guys, so yeah, this is the worst design I've seen in my life. Okay, I don't know if the central locking kicks in or anything, but the bonnet on these, you pull them here. Okay, pull it here. Okay, and the bonnet catch releases, and you just take the bonnet off, the hood off, right? So I need to get both hands onto it. I want to get both hands onto it and just move it away from the engine, so we can gain access here to the 3 bolts. Right, okay guys, so as you can see there, you can gain access to the 3 bolts, one there, and one there, and there's a loads of spiderweb, cobwebs here. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I don't like spider webs and I don't like spiders. Okay, amongst my so many other failings in my life. Okay, spiders, I hate spiders. There must be a big massive one here somewhere, right? So give me a minute, I'm gonna get rid of all this spider web. Sorry mate, I know you made your home and everything, but I need to get in there, so he'll probably make that within like within a couple of hours. So yeah, Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this bolt off first. I'm going to mark the top mount, okay, the bolt down here. Mark the top mount, okay, because I think you should mark the top mount because you don't know which way it's going on. So take that bolt off, get some Tipp-Ex in there, mark that, then take the other two off, and you're good to go. Okay, so now that I've taken the front bolt off, as you can see, the other two are on. Okay, we're going to get some Tipp-Ex or any kind of spray or whatever, or paint or whatever you've got, or if you're in America, whiteout. I think I'm sure it's called whiteout. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put a little mark on it, so we know that one goes on the front. Excuse me. So put some mark over there. Look at that. Check my artistic workout. Just put that there like that. Ta-da! All done and dusted there. Right, now we'll take the other two off. There we go. Right, okay, as you can see there, I'm on my last bolt here. I'm just taking the last bolt off. This one is off. This one is off as well. The best thing to do is get two people to take it off. One person to take the bolt off, another person to hold it. But if you're feeling like 10 men like me, right, just take it off by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to put the camera down now, and yeah, actually I'm going to place the camera somewhere so you guys can see me. Okay, just 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm going to hold it with one hand because I feel strong today. Okay, and take it off with the other hand. So watch this, it'll probably come off on me, the spring and everything, because it's broken anyway. Take my hand off. But like I say, if you've got a friend, phone a friend, it makes life a lot easier. Plus you can talk to him, you know, spend some time with him, you know, mess about a little bit and do the job as well. Have a brew and whatever, you know, and chill. It's not heavy anyway, it's a small one. We've got it off, that's it. Let's take the spring off, clamp the spring, compress the spring, take the spring off. Let's do it. Okay guys, sit rep, as you can see there, I've got it on the spring compressor clamp. Don't use these ones. I mean, if you're going to use these ones, make sure you get about 3 on there. 1, 2 and 3, okay? Because I don't really recommend these. They're not really safe. Okay, so if you haven't got a spring you know, compressor clamp, I would go to a garage, or if your friend's got one or anybody's got one, use theirs, because this is safer. Okay, by using these, if these slip off, I know there's not that much tension on these smart springs, but yeah, end of the day, it is a spring, and it will, if it does come off, it will, yeah, and if your hand's in the way, it will hurt. Okay, so yeah, just bear in mind, you know, with the tension and everything. And another thing is, yeah, if you've got a spring compressor, use the spring compressor. Don't use these individual clamps. Right, let's do this now. I've compressed it. There we go. I'm going to get the 18mm nut off from there. Okay, take the top mount off, top bearing off, and replace the spring. That's it, let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, I tried taking it off with the gun. It's all spinning and everything. I mean, the only other thing you can do, which I don't recommend, is get some mole grips on there, right on the top, because obviously the shock absorber does not go all the way down when it's on the car. Right, so right to the top, okay, clamp it there, and it should come off with the gun. If not, just get yourself a size 6 Allen key and an angle spanner like that, a dog leg spanner like that, and just take it off, and that's it. Let me see if I can take this off. Well, the camera as well, 1 minute. You get the picture. I need a cameraman. So will somebody sign up for, you know, to be Raoul TV's cameraman? Okay, so yeah, you get the picture. Take it off, let's go. Okay guys, so the old one is off, the snapped one, the broken one is off. There's the new one. I've got it all clamped up and everything. I'm doing this by myself guys, so obviously I can't really film it and show you guys at the same time. So as you can see here, I'm just going to get the shock absorber in there, get the top mounting on. If I need to clamp it a little bit more, I'll clamp it a little bit more, and you get the picture. I get the top nut on, and that's it. Shocker on, tighten up on it, let's go. Okay guys, sit rep, as you can see there, I've got the top mounting on, I've got the spring in the right place there on the little rubber there, which goes on to that cut out there. Okay, there's two. The spring, it is like right way and wrong way basically. There's one side which is smaller, which goes on the top. The side that's bigger in diameter goes on the bottom. Okay, goes on the bottom of the base. Okay, and the top one, the small one, goes onto the cap here. Right, so everything is on. I'll just, you know, screw that down a little bit more, that nut. Okay, and then basically release the tension and tighten up on it. Let's go. Okay, so I've gunned it on there, as you can see there with the gun, 18mm. I've released the tension and everything, so it's all released. What we're doing now is we're going to double check it, spanner and a ratchet with a 6mm on the top, Allen key. Or if you haven't got a ratchet, Allen key, make sure it's a good Allen key. Tighten up on it, get a friend, hold one, you can, you know, tighten up with the other one, or you put the camera down and tighten it up yourself. Yeah, let's do it. Let's finish it off. Another little top tip is, I didn't mention this before, you know, when I was taking it off, because I took it off with the thingamabob, the spanner and the ratchet. If you're gunning it off, this top mounting spins. Okay, so make sure you keep some tension on it and you hold it properly, okay, or else it's going to spin, hit your hand, and it's going to hurt. It hurts quite a bit. I've done that in the past. It does hurt, right? So make sure you hold the top while you take it off with the gun, or else yeah, it'll hurt your hands. Anyway, let's tighten up on this and let's refit it. Let's go. All I'm going to do now is just, it's already tight, just give it some more with this. That's tight, that's not coming off. Take that off. And that's it, let's get it on the car. Okay, so we're going to get this shock absorber back on. We've marked it, remember, so we're going to get the mark lined up and everything. If you've got a friend, you can phone a friend, but if you haven't got anybody here, just do it by yourself. So if you're doing it by yourself, just make sure, you know, you're feeling strong and whatever, you know, get the mark and everything right. And if you can, phone a friend, they can lift it up while you put the shock absorber on. So just give me a minute. It's not heavy, so it should be okay. There you go, I've got one bolt on. Get the other ones on as well. When one goes on, the other ones just follow suit, and it should line up. Might need to move it a little bit, to maneuver it a little bit. But when one lines up, all the other two should follow. That's another one on. Right, that's all three on. There we have it, guys, all three is on. I know they're not tight 100%. If you want to, you can go ahead and tighten up now, or you tighten up after when the wheel, everything's on the floor. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten them up, and that's it. Put the bonnet back on, job done on the top, nothing to do here. Right. Okay guys, so them three are on. This one, and this one, 13mm bolts. They're on. That's it. If you want to torque them up, you can go ahead and torque them up, but I would not. I don't really torque them up. I'm not really too bothered about it. Just tighten them up properly, best you can with the ratchet, and that's it. You're good to go. If you want to torque them up, you can torque them up, but just tighten them up with the ratchet best you can, and that's it. You're good to go. Right, we're going to put the bonnet back on, okay, and sand it up. Finish the rest of the job off. Let's go. Right, so that's it. We're on the home stretch. It's all nearly done. All we're going to do now is put this hub back into the shock absorber here, put that one on, put that wire, ABS wire, back on there on the hook, put the drop link on, and that's it. Tighten up on everything, put the wheel back on. Jobs are good, and that's it. Let's finish it off. No time to waste. Let's go.